From list of integers, get number closest to a given value. Given a list of integers, I want to find which number is the closest to a number I give in input. Is there any quick way to do this?
If we are not sure that the list is sorted, we could use the built-in min function to find the element which has the minimum distance from the specified number. Note that it also works with dicts with int keys, like 1 column A, 2 column B. This method takes O(n) time. If the list is already sorted, or you could pay the price of sorting the array once only, use the bisection method illustrated in Lauwertz's answer, which only takes O log n time. Note, however, checking if a list is already sorted is O(n) and sorting is O(n) log n.
I'll rename the function take_closest to conform with PEP 8 naming conventions. If you mean quick to execute as opposed to quick to write, min should not be your weapon of choice, except in one very narrow use case. The min solution needs to examine every number in the list and do a calculation for each number. Using bisect.bisect_left instead is almost always faster. The almost comes from the fact that bisect_left requires the list to be sorted to work. Hopefully, your use case is such that you can sort the list once and then leave it alone. Even if not, as long as you don't need to sort before every time you call take_closest, the bisect module will likely come out on top. If you're in doubt, try both and look at the real-world difference. Bisect works by repeatedly having a list and finding out which half my number has to be in by looking at the middle value. This means it has a running time of O log n, as opposed to the O(n) running time of the highest voted answer. If we compare the two methods and supply both with a sorted mylist, these are the results. So in this particular test, bisect is almost 20 times faster. For longer lists, the difference will be greater. What if we level the playing field by removing the precondition that my list must be sorted? Let's say we sort a copy of the list every time take_closest is called, while leaving the min solution unaltered. Using the 200 item list in the above test, the bisect solution is still the fastest, though only by about 30%. This is a strange result, considering that the sorting step is O(n) log n. The only reason min is still losing is that the sorting is done in highly optimized C code, while min has to plod along calling a lambda function for every item. As mylist grows in size, the min solution will eventually be faster. Note that we had to stack everything in its favor for the min solution to win.
A lambda is a special way of writing an anonymous function, a function that doesn't have a name. You can assign it any name you want because a lambda is an expression. The long way of writing the above would be
This code will give you the index of the closest number in the list. The solution given by Kenny is the best overall, but in the cases you cannot use it, like Britain, This function will do the work.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.